see the world from your feet. You've got a clearer view than me. Lead me around on a leash. You say that everyone's out to get me. I beat the hand that starves me, so you muzzle my face. I see no point in fighting. Get me out of this place. I'll do anything you want. Do anything you want. I'll do anything you want. I'm your puppy dog. You say the world is a bad, bad place. I'm in a cage, but at least it's safe. You say, bad dog, it's not time to play, but I'm not the one that's playing games. I'll do anything you want. Do anything you want. I'll do anything you want. I'm your puppy dog. You say I only managed to make it hurt. You say you could have kicked me through the curb, but you don't, and I'm so lucky. I still have my own nerve. You